Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are trying to download any application from Appstore and you are facing this problem cannot connect to Appstore, how to fix it. So keep watching my video until then. First of all, launch the setting. Application appears on screen. Here, tap on it and simply tap on Wi-Fi. And guys, the main reason of this problem, your internet connection is weak, so make sure your internet connection is strong. So simply tap this and forget this network. From here you can see top right corner, tap on it. Guys, first forget this network and reconnect strong Wi-Fi network. Now guys, simply reconnect this network. Wait for some second, simply tap on it and enter the password and reconnect this network. Here guys, now simply go back and scroll down. If this method doesn't work and applying the second method, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting. Guys, any problem inside your iPhone about network, so will be solved after reset network setting. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. You can see I am opening App Store and my App Store successfully opening. You can see a page on screen. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.